Hello everyone. So today we will create an AI phone and link it to your Twilio. So it will be Twilio that's linked with ChatGPT. So any calls that come to your Twilio phone number will be routed over to ChatGPT, and AI agent can talk to your customers, basically trying to replace your phone service providers. So you can take calls, like AI agent can take calls on your behalf and talk to them and provide information regarding your business, like any information that you want, or if they want to make reservations or place orders. For example, if you are a restaurant, you can just give your number to your customers and they can call, and AI agent will talk to them and take your orders, or any kind of use case that you can basically think of. So the platform that I'm using to build this is Laravel, and inside this Laravel, you can use any web server, but I'm using Laravel for this demo. And inside this Laravel, I've created a class that says AI phone controller. And we have two functions in this class. One is voice and other is ChatGPT response. I'll just walk you through how this thing works. So initially, it's like it will return, like when it starts, like no customer has not talked to anything. So what should be the initial message? And in this code, you can customize it from here. Like it says, "Hello, I'm your AI assistant. How can I help you?" So this will be the first message that's been said to your caller. So have anyone who calls your number, you can change this. And after that, it's just loading conversations from previous session or database. So you can store, like we will be storing all the conversation, like as the person talks to the AI agent, it will be stored, all their conversation will be stored in the session. You can also store it for data in database. So if the person calls even the next time, we have the whole history of their conversation and we can load them into ChatGPT. So it talks to them, remembering everything was talked to the like what was said to them before. So this can really be handy. And inside history, we have two communication things. Like one is the user and other is assistant. So in the user thing, we would be pass whatever the user has said, and in the assistant, we would pass whatever ChatGPT has said. So it just keeps a record of whole conversation. So here we are loading from a session, and here we are saving to session. And if you want to go the database route, then you will have to get from database and save to database. Next, in this, we are just checking if we want to have some keywords where we want to, like the user wants to end the call. For example, if the user says bye, goodbye, thanks, or that's all, ChatGPT would basically, like this code will basically say goodbye and hang up. Otherwise, the person has like completed their order, and the call will just keep going on. So this is a way to end if the user says certain keywords. And if the user have not said something from these keywords, here we will ask again. So for example, first we will reply. So for example, if the person says that, what are your business hours? The ChatGPT will reply that our business hours are this, this, this. And then it will ask like, what else would you like to know? So it just always ends with a follow-up question. We can also customize this, whatever you want to know. So after what ChatGPT has said, it will ask another question. What else would you like to know? And this way the conversation can keep going on. So this was our first and main function of voice. And the second function is basically ChatGPT response. So this function basically sends a request to a ChatGPT API and gets a response. So here we will need to provide OpenAI key. Then we will have to like choose which model to choose from. I'm using 3.5 turbo just because it's cheaper and slightly faster. You can use any even smaller model that cost less, or even bigger model based on your usage. And in the messages, the first message is basically the initial instructions that we give to the ChatGPT. So here we are saying, you are a helpful, concise phone assistant. Speak in short replies. So this is initial message. Now you can change it with anything else you want, any instruction that you want to give to ChatGPT, all your business details or anything else. That's just beginning instructions. And then we are passing the history. This is everything that we tracked on this, like our that's happening in the conversation. Then it will return the message that's come from ChatGPT, or else it will say, sorry, I did not understand that. So if there is an error, it will just say, I did not understand that. Then we are creating a route that says Twilio AI voice, and we have linked it to the voice um, route. So voice route basically will call this voice function. And then if we go on our server, if we refresh, so this is the kind of an XML response that's coming from this. Now, what you have to do is you have to copy this URL wherever you are hosting. Go in your Twilio console under phone numbers, manage and active numbers. You need to come down to you have to select your number, whichever number you want to link with this system. Come down under voice configuration, and you have to paste this in the webhook, and then go down and save conversation. Once you have done that, now you are ready to go. So now I will make a test live demo in front of you. So let's call our number.
Hello, I'm your AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Can you tell me about Albert Einstein?
Albert Einstein was a famous physicist known for his theory of relativity and the equation E equals mc squared. What else would you like to know?
Who is Nikola Tesla?
Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor and engineer known for his contributions to the development of alternating current, AC, electrical systems. What else would you like to know?
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye.
So this is how this script basically, the ChatGPT, it is talking to your agent. Now, if we add all the specific details about your business, like your time, working hours, if you're a restaurant, like your menu and everything, then it can talk and like do specific answers to your business. So that's all for today. Hope you've liked this tutorials. If you have any other questions, you can drop in comments and I'll be happy to help.